Morning everyone, it's Rachel here and I'm super excited to share with you our new kits. Now the idea for this kit came from Carol Laws. Hi Carol, I did it and I probably will do some more because I really enjoyed it. And what they are vertical document kits. So we'll start with the journal pages first. And so this could be the kind of like a cover. I am going to be sharing in the next couple of days this project that I have started but not finished yet. So I'll finish it when I come back from Australia, but this is what we're going to create with the kit. So that's a little peekaboo preview of what's coming up in my videos. So there's 8 pages and I absolutely love them. Just to show you what they might look like in the document journal. And you could mix them in with, you know, the antique letter documents, or if you've got real ones, you can put those in. And that's what I've done in that project. So just to give you an idea, I really, really love them. I did most of the pages and Steph did a couple. So there's that one. And that's the reverse side. I won't keep folding them all in half, or we'll be here till tomorrow. So there's this one here, this one. So they're kind of botanical, really. Antique botanical is what I would call them. This one here. And this is the last page that Steph did. And then we have the pages that are plain because, in fact, I need to do some horizontal ones as well. But when I did my Italian fashion ladies, I was asked to do the pages plain. So I took the base of the pages and then I took stuff out and maybe added stuff in. So that way they can go on the reverse side and be mostly used for writing. So I did those ones as well and I absolutely love them. Just gorgeous. And so that, again, there's 8 of those. And I think I added something to that one. This one, oh, I love that page. And then this one here. And then I did another, I called it my Victorian fussy cut kit because I think a lot of the things are from that period. Some things are older, like that's really old. And it's just so to have more fun elements to put in the document journal, or any journal really. So there's fussy cuts, there's, you know, what are they called, postcard things, all kinds of little bits of ephemera. I was going to say paraphernalia. Look at that gorgeous postcard. I just love that. Just really gorgeous. Love those little girls. Things I've been collecting. So I had an itchy eye, that's why I stopped talking. So yeah, love that. And that one again too has 8 pages. Look at her dress, it's all lace. Incredible. And I put a little border around these so that you didn't have to be too stressed cutting them out. And I thought it's only a little border, so anyone with one of those cricket or cuts or whatever you call them, that will cut out and you'll just have the little beige border around it as well. So it's kind of friendly to both, in my opinion, because not everybody has a cricket. So I need to think about the majority of the people. So there we go. So those are my new kits. I hope you enjoy them and you're going to have a play along with me in the next videos. There'll be a couple of days and then they'll be released. And yep, I'll be in the second half of my journey by the time you watch this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.